When it comes to reliability, sedans are still the go-to for millions of drivers worldwide. In this video, we'll break down the top 5 most reliable sedans of 2024, ranked based on their performance, price, exterior design, interior features, and what makes them stand out. Whether you're looking for daily commuting ease or long-distance comfort, these sedans offer a solid mix of style and reliability. Let's dive in on Titel. Number 1. 2024 Toyota Corolla. Starting with the 2024 Toyota Corolla, a well-known name in reliability and practicality. Priced around $21,000 to $27,000 depending on the trim, the Corolla offers one of the best values for a compact sedan. The exterior continues with Toyota's sleek design philosophy, with sharp headlights, a bold front grille, and an aerodynamic body. It's understated yet classy. Inside, you'll find a clean and functional interior with an intuitive infotainment system, soft touch materials, and spacious seating for a compact sedan. Under the hood, it features a 2.0-liter 4-cylinder engine that produces 169 horsepower, offering smooth acceleration and impressive fuel efficiency, reaching up to 40 miles per gallon on the highway. The Corolla remains a perfect fit for daily commuting and city driving, solidifying its place as one of the most reliable sedans of 2024. Number 2. 2024 Honda Accord. The 2024 Honda Accord, priced between $27,000 and $38,000, continues to set a benchmark in the midsize sedan category. On the outside, the Accord boasts a sleek and refined design, with a more streamlined body and a wider grille that gives it a modern and sporty look. The 19-inch alloy wheels add to its aggressive stance. Stepping inside, the Accord impresses with a spacious cabin, premium materials, and a well-designed dashboard featuring a 12.3-inch touchscreen. Honda's reputation for comfort is evident with its supportive seats and ample legroom for both front and rear passengers. Performance-wise, it offers a 1.5-liter turbocharged engine with 192 horsepower or an optional 2.0-liter turbo engine with 252 horsepower for those looking for more power. The Accord also excels in fuel efficiency, achieving up to 37 miles per gallon on the highway, making it a strong contender in this reliability ranking. Number 3. 2024 Toyota Camry. Next is the 2024 Toyota Camry, a name that has become synonymous with reliability. With a starting price of around $26,000 and going up to $36,000 for higher trims, the Camry strikes a balance between affordability and performance. The exterior has a bold and sporty look, featuring a distinctive front grille, angular headlights, and optional two-tone color schemes for a sportier aesthetic. Inside, the Camry offers a spacious and comfortable cabin with high-quality materials, a large 9-inch touchscreen, and plenty of safety features. Powering the Camry is either a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine producing 203 horsepower or a 3.5-liter V6 engine for those wanting more power with 301 horsepower. Both engines deliver smooth and responsive performance, while fuel efficiency reaches up to 39 miles per gallon. The Camry's legendary reliability combined with modern updates makes it one of the top choices for 2024. Number 4. 2025 Subaru Legacy. The 2025 Subaru Legacy continues Subaru's tradition of building reliable and versatile sedans. Priced between $25,000 and $38,000, The Legacy stands out with its standard all-wheel drive system, a rarity in this category. The exterior design is subtle, yet elegant, with Subaru's familiar hexagonal grille and LED headlights adding a touch of sophistication. Inside, the Legacy offers a premium experience, featuring an 11.6-inch vertically oriented touchscreen, soft touch materials, and plenty of tech, including smartphone integration and driver assistance features. Performance-wise, the base engine is a 2.5-liter flat-4, delivering 182 horsepower, while a turbocharged 2.4-liter option bumps that up to 260 horsepower. The Legacy's all-wheel drive gives it an edge in terms of handling and stability, particularly in harsh weather conditions, and its fuel economy remains impressive, hitting around 35 miles per gallon on the highway. Number 5. 2024 Mazda 6. Rounding out our list is the 2024 Mazda 6, priced between $26,000 and $36,000. Known for its stylish exterior, the Mazda 6 features an elegant, flowing design with a large grille and sleek headlights that give it a sporty yet refined look. The muscular fenders and chrome accents add to its premium feel. Inside, the Mazda 6 doesn't disappoint, offering a driver-focused cabin with high-quality materials, leather upholstery, and an 8-inch infotainment display. It's smaller than some rivals, but offers excellent ergonomics and comfort. The Mazda 6 is powered by a 2.5-liter turbocharged engine that produces 250 horsepower, delivering a more engaging and dynamic driving experience compared to most mid-size sedans. Fuel efficiency is decent at up to 35 miles per gallon, making the Mazda 6 an attractive option for those who want both reliability and a fun driving experience. So, there you have it, the top 5 most reliable sedans of 2024. Each of these models brings its own strengths, from fuel efficiency and performance to interior comfort and cutting-edge tech. Whether you're looking for a daily driver, something more luxurious, or a car that can handle all weather conditions, there's something on this list for everyone. Be sure to check them out and find the perfect sedan for your needs. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment on which sedan you think is the best.